Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing the GlossyBox for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. GlossyBox is a monthly subscription box. It costs $21 a month. They promise at least 5 beauty products worth at least $60. They do offer discounts if you pay up front for a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription, or if you commit to a 12-month subscription billed monthly. So this is one of this month's boxes. There were actually 2 outside boxes. This lovely lavender purple one, and then there's also a blue one that has a different cover. But this one says Enchanted Spirit, the Beauty Tales. I hope you can see that. And on the side, it looks like the spine of a book. On this side just says A Very Glossy Fairy Tale, and then GlossyBox on either side. It's absolutely gorgeous box. I mean, their boxes are always really nice, and you could use them to store things, or I would even use them to put gifts in, but yeah, I'm going to be keeping this one because it's really pretty. So let's open it up and take a look at what we've got. Inside is the flyer, and this shows the other box on the cover as well. The Midnight Fantasy is the other possible box. And then in the inside it gives you a description of all the products that we're going to receive, along with what they calculate as the value if they're samples. But if you've been here before, you know I don't take anyone's word for it. I go out and do the research and do the math myself. And then on the back there's just some information this time about their advent calendars, which might be sold out, but if not, I would go check them out if you're interested. And some other information about monthly surveys and things like that. But I'll just put this over here because I've already done the research on these products, so unless they surprise me in this box, we're all set. So inside, we've got some lovely gold tissue paper and the bow. And let's open it up and take a look. Okay, our first product is from Ciate London. It is the Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. And this is finely milled for lightweight application and ultra blendability. Smooth this powder over concealer, and finished makeup looks for a crease-free, soft focus finish. Plus, there's no flashback. Now, a full size of this product is 15 grams and retails for $22. This is a deluxe sample, which is 7 grams. Now, they claim that this sample is worth $18.98, but I was not able to find anywhere that you could purchase this as a mini or anything else to give it that retail value. If the only retail that is being sold on this is the 15 gram for $22, then the value of this is $10.27. If they were selling this at the 7 gram size for $18.98 at retail, then okay, fine, then that's the retail price. But if you're just giving me a sample of something that's only sold in its regular full size, you don't get to arbitrarily assign a higher value than the amount of product that I'm actually receiving in my sample. So that's why I do the calculation and to come up with that calculated value on these deluxe samples. So again, they claimed $18.98. If a full size retails for $22, this is $10.27 worth of product. Okay, our second product is from Generation Clay, and it is Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. And Generation Clay is a sister line to Generation Skin, and they harness the ancient beauty benefits of clay, pairing it with skin-loving botanicals. And it's packed with Australian-sourced superfruit Davidson plum, a gentle, natural version of skin exfoliating AHAs. And they say that it helps rejuvenate dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation, resulting in a radiant, more even complexion. Now, as far as the value of this, the pamphlet here says that they're basing their calculation of what this is worth on a full-size 75 milliliter that they say retails for $21.50. Now, every retail version of this that I could find, and I've looked for quite a while, was in grams, not milliliters. And I can't equate the two without, and not to get too technical, but without knowing the weight of one milliliter of product. If it was water, I could easily convert it because water's 1-to-1, but it's got to do with viscosity or density or something. Anyway, so I can't convert milliliters to grams to be able to do the math based on the full sizes or the retail sizes that I saw. The only real retail product that I saw actively right now is a 100-gram product that retails for, I want to say $49.99, but they're claiming that somewhere there was a 75 milliliter version that retailed for $21.50, giving this a value of $14 and change. I can't dispute that because I can't do the math to convert it, and I'm not a scientist. I can't do whatever it is that I would need to do to determine. So I'm going to have to, and you know it irks me to do it, but I'm going to have to take their word for this one. Okay, our next product is from Earth Harbor, and it is Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that because of the white, but let me take it out of the box. A soothing ethereal glow of the Aurora Borealis, sweeping across the sky, captured in a bottle. I hope that's coming in, and if not, you can at least see how pretty it is in terms of the color, but I hope it's zooming in on there. Give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa oil and pacifying grapeseed and neem seed extract, and let Aurora's intoxicating therapeutic aroma of magnolia blossom transport you into her calming phenomena. Now this is a full-size product. It is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce, and the retail on it is $32. Now again, this is a $21 box, so just this one product, we've already made what we paid for it, but we still have to figure out whether they did what they promised, which was $60 value. Okay, next we have, this is a lipstick. This is KVD Vegan Beauty. This is their Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. There's the packaging. It's kind of cool. I'm not going to get into anything about the person or the brand. We're just going to talk about the product. They say this is vegan, cruelty-free lipstick. It will make you feel bold and stunning, just like its studded packaging. Its creamy, cushiony, and highly pigmented formula will give your lips the treatment they deserve. We got the shade Lovecraft, and apparently this is the shade everyone got. So let me hold it up so that you can see the shade. It is a satin matte mauve nude pink. A full size would be 3.4 grams, retail for $20. This is, again, a deluxe sample of 1.2 grams. I was not able to find these deluxe samples anywhere sold at retail. So despite the fact that GlossyBox claims this is a $14 value, again, you're not selling it retail for that, then I'm going to calculate it based on the size, and a 1.2 gram deluxe sample has a value calculated at $7.06. And our final product is from Ona, New York, although I may be pronouncing that incorrectly because it's got the little symbol above the A that I don't know how to pronounce, but there's the name. It is the Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask, formulated with plant ingredients native to Russia and Northeast Asia. This refining hydrogel mask will even out complexion, rid it of impurities, and restore a youthful glow. Its comfortable fit and non-slip quality makes it perfect for anyone on the move. Niacinamide and willow bark extract reduce environmental damage and restore youthful glow. Centella asiatica and tea tree oil soothes stressed skin and even out skin tone. And these are sold either in boxes of 5 that retail for $40, or they are sold singly for $9. So that's everything that we got in the box this month. We got the mask from Ona, New York, the sample size lipstick from KVD Vegan Beauty, the Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule, which was a full-size product, the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is another deluxe sample. And from Ciate London, the Extraordinary Loose Translucent Setting Powder, also a sample. So again, this subscription promises $60 in value for the $21 subscription. The total retail value per their calculation, the prices that they gave us in here, was $88.42. Based on my calculation for the deluxe samples that are not sold at retail and using their percentage of the full retail product price, came in at $72.74. So again, not happy with their math, but even at my calculation, we're well above our $60 promise, so I'm not unhappy with it. And at the very least, I'm looking forward to trying this Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampoule. You know, I love my serums and things like that, so I'm looking forward to checking it out. So, what do you think? Do you subscribe to GlossyBox? Did you like this month's box? If you don't subscribe, if you thought about it, does this box push you in either direction? And what do you think about the way I calculate the prices versus what they state? I mean, do you really think that it's fair for them to assign a price of 2/3 of the value of a full size to a product that's actually only 1/3 the product? Unless they're selling it that way at retail and somebody's buying it. You know, let me know what you think. I think that the way I'm calculating it, you know, just kind of makes sense, but let me know what you think. And again, let me know what you thought of my box in general. Anything in here that you'd be interested in trying. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, take care of yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.